kudos to this dumbbell, my friend. This is not a joke. This ain't joke, my friend. Or WD dumbbell convertible. This is what it looks like. Easy. Great all my guys in the house, my friend. First person I saw today. Fit, how are you? That's my guy. Let me see who is here again. Woo! This for WD dumbbell became accessories on my body. Can't do without this. Accessory on my body. I don't have bling bling, no chain, no necklace, no nothing. But this represents it all, my friend. This is our own logo. Oh yeah, dance like this. If your Sunday is looking good, oh yeah, dance like this. Give us the hip hop style. Woo! We turn out to Jitao. Is that not your crazy fitness instructor? Is that not your crazy fitness instructor? Yeah. It's not every time you're gonna be calm like cold water. Sometimes you gotta be crazy. Craziness makes things work out good. My video that went viral, like over 10,000 views, it was because I was crazy in that video. That's why I pray to be more crazy. Now craziness, they bring money. All the time we are carry dumbbell, they do Gen 2, they do Gen 2. One video, I don't go see views. Money no show. And when I can't go crazy, now money can't show. One video begins sell like 10 dumbbells. Even while I'm sleeping. Who can't tell you, say make I no crazy? I beg God, give me the glory to be crazy, oh. Let me be more crazy, oh. This 4WD dumbbell, see what it has done to my own body. Giving me the best body I ever need. Come on, man. It's done a lot for me, bro. Giving me a body that drive away trouble. Woo! Clap for it, my friend. Clap for it, my friend. Woo! Some people go even they watch me, they go say, I bet this guy don't smoke igbo. Because this type of high energy with this guy, they take talk, they act with it, they are be don't smoke igbo. I mean, not be until you smoke igbo before you go there appeal. Now people will not fit there happy now, then they think saying a person with their happy now don't smoke igbo. Because then happiness is strange for some people. Don't let happiness be strange to you. Make you the day appeal. Make you the day appeal so that you go feel they appear for where happiness day. If you like, go and change your name to happiness. You got it. You got it. You got it. If you don't got it, forget it. Happy Sunday, my friend. You got it. If you don't got it, forget it. Happy Sunday, my friend. This dumbbell 4WD convertible, it is not only training one place of your body, it is training the whole of your body at a time.